Hello and welcome to the Produce Aisle. My name is Lorene Anderson, and we are putting on our music business socks once again to talk about how you actually get paid for your music. In part one, we went over how the music business is organized into three main chunks. That's the composition, that's the soul, if you will, the recording, that's kind of the body, and publishing. Here in part two, we're going to discuss getting all of your ducks in a row and understanding the bureaucratic alphabet soup of numbers and registrations that you need to have in order to get paid as a self-administered songwriter. And if you like seeing lady producers like me making videos like this, do give a thumbs up and tell me any questions you may have in the comments, especially about my fabulous headphone earrings. A self-administered songwriter, that's anybody who does not have a publishing deal. And this includes publishing administration deals like Songtrust and Centric and CD Baby Pro. Even if you're a smarty pants and have your own publishing entity, and I highly encourage you to be a smarty pants and have your own publishing entity, you are a self-administered songwriter. Here are the organizations that you must sign up for to get your magic numbers, to get your money. You need a PRO. What is a PRO? A PRO is a performing rights organization, and they collect your songwriting royalties for live performances, and also digital streaming platforms are considered performances as well. Another piece of alphabet soup for you, digital streaming platforms, also known as DSP. You might see that around. That's all of the things like Spotify and Apple Music, Napster, if that's still around. They are DSPs that stream your music, and that's considered a performance. Every country has a PRO. You can only be in one PRO as a writer. So pick one. That can range from free in some countries, lucky, to about $100. It's well worth it. It's not a monthly fee. It's a one-time fee, and you need it in order to get your IPI number. This is the magic number. The IPI number is your magic number for getting paid for your music. That stands for Interested Party Information. It's really intuitive. Whenever you register anything, you're going to be giving your IPI number in order for all of these royalty organizations to be able to track you down and hand you money. It's usually about 9 to 11 digits long. That's unique to you as a songwriter composer. If you sign up to get a publishing entity, which you can also do through your PRO, and you can name your publishing company whatever you want. It's considered like a vanity publishing entity. It has its own IPI number, which is also very important. Hang on to that IPI number. So we got our PRO, and from our PRO, we got an IPI. The MLC, which that stands for the Mechanical Licensing Collective, and they collect mechanical royalties for publishers, publishing administrators, and self-administered songwriters. They collect all the publishing side from the DSPs and distribute it. All right, so let's talk about the public performance rights. This is your PR, where your PRO comes in. They distribute a writer's share and a publisher's share. Your compositional royalty is split in half between writer and publisher. If you don't have a publishing entity, that publishing share is not going to come to you. So sign up for a publishing entity as well. You don't need to start an LLC. You don't need to start any kind of company officially. You can just have this publishing entity with its own particular IPI number, and then you get to collect that publishing. The MLC deals particularly with mechanical licensing royalties. A mechanical royalty is created when a copy is made. So streaming, interactive streaming, and if you see here this little chart, this is for interactive streams and for limited downloads, as well as for permanent downloads, that you can get a mechanical royalty. Signing up at the MLC is free. It's a United States thing. So if you are a writer outside of the United States, I'm not sure that you have to sign up for the MLC. But if you're in the States, please sign up for the MLC so that you can get those publishing royalties for your mechanical shares. This reproduction and distribution rights, this is for record labels, but if you are your own sort of record label, then those things just go immediately to you. SoundExchange, let's talk a little bit about it. Also free to sign up. It's not a for-profit service. Also the MLC, it's a non-for-profit. SoundExchange helps you to collect non-interactive streams. So things like from Pandora Radio or SiriusXM. You can't choose exactly what you want to hear the way you can with Spotify or YouTube Music. So signing up for SoundExchange is going to be important so that you get your digital performance royalties for these non-interactive streams. So sign up with all those things if you are a self-administered songwriter. Then do that and go get your dollars. Next time, we'll talk about sync, licensing, and getting ready for that. All right. I hope you have a wonderful whatever time of day it is for you. I will see you next time. Bye for now.